Yes, that's the story we are going to be focusing on. Times Now's relentless investigation in 2013 ensured that the self-proclaimed godman Asaram was behind the bars following multiple rape charges. 2 years after his arrest, witnesses are being threatened, attacked, and 3 of them killed as the case only gets murkier from here. Times Now's continuing investigation now reveals explosive claims of witnesses who actually fear for their life every minute of the day.
Piecing together an Asaram case mystery.
मैं तो सांप को भी प्यार करता हूं तो मीडिया से काहे दुश्मनी करूंगा। देखते रहो तमाशा लगा, बापू नाराज हो गए, मीडिया वाले को थप्पड़ मारा। उछाल है तो उछालो।
Times Now crew reached Shahjahanpur, a nondescript town in Uttar Pradesh, where just 4 days ago, 35-year-old Kripal Singh, a crucial witness in the rape case, was shot at.
Kripal Singh was in fact shot at this particular spot here in Shahjahanpur. He was returning home from his workplace when 2 unidentified assailants on a motorbike approached him from behind. They shot him in the spine in the lower back region.
His pregnant wife pleading with the government to act against those behind her husband's brutal murder.
कहते हैं कि आपने मांगी नहीं, मांगने के लिए जब मुझे पता होता तभी तो मांगते। क्या गवर्नमेंट को ये बात नहीं पता थी?
As we dug deeper, our investigation took us to Muzaffarnagar, where another deceased witness's family is fighting for justice. Akhil Gupta was once the rape-accused godman's driver. He too was shot dead by unidentified assailants in January this year.
उनके हाथ बहुत लंबे हैं, उनके सामने हम कुछ नहीं हैं और हम उनके खिलाफ गवाही दे देंगे तो वो हमें भी मरवा देंगे।
9 witnesses targeted in 6 years. Those who exposed him brutally attacked.
हमें ये मालूम है कि हम जिंदा रहेंगे नहीं। आज हम 1.5 साल, 2 साल, 3 साल के बाद मार दिए जाएंगे। आशाराम एक बहुत बड़ा गुंडा है, ये हम ही जानते हैं, और उसके पास पैसा बहुत है।
While the rape accused father-son duo are behind bars for now,
नारायण साहब, आप पे और आपके पिता पे जो कोई कुछ कर रहा है, उन पे हमले हो रहे हैं। जो भी उनके खिलाफ बोल रहे हैं, उन पे हमले हो रहे हैं। क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
people who spoke out against them facing near-death experiences, like this witness who was stabbed in the back.
28 फरवरी को जब मैं ऑफिस जा रहा था, तब हमारे कैंपस में ही मेरे पे छुरी से हमला हुआ।
But Asaram's aide vehemently denying all the allegations made against the self-styled godman.
अगर विटनेस पे अटैक हम करते, मान लीजिए 1% के हम कर रहे, अगर हम करते तो उसको गवाही देने से पहले करते ना। गवाही देके जा चुका है, अपनी बात वो जज के सामने बोल चुका है, अब हम उस पर क्यों अटैक करेंगे?
In 2013, relentless coverage by the media led to his arrest. But since then, one after another, witnesses have been attacked, some even murdered. Can 3 deaths in the last 3 years be termed a coincidence? Bureau Report, Times Now.